So you want to get better at shifting, but you are not quite sure how. Something is stumping you when it comes to shifting, and you are not alone. Shifting is challenging, that is for sure, but there is a first step that you are probably skipping over, and that is what we are going to cover. Now, shifting is about moving correctly, and it's about landing correctly. But ask yourself this: land on what? What makes it correct or not? What are the different parts of the shift? Well, I'm going to get to all that, but the first step, the one that you are probably skipping, is the most important one, which is knowing what the shift sounds like, and that is what I'm going to give you a solution to right now, and it's a really good one. Let's use the big shift in Humoresque, the shift up to the C natural in 7th position. I have to know beyond a shadow of a doubt what the interval sounds like from the D to the C. The best way to achieve this, the very first step before you do anything else, is to play it in a range where you know you are in tune and hearing everything correctly. In other words, play it down an octave. Play it in a place where you feel really comfortable playing in tune. In fact, with any big high shift like this, play it down in as many registers as you can. For this shift, playing it down 1 octave means you're going to play it here. And this Humoresque is also a great example because not only can I play it using the shift, I can play it all in one position and get it really in tune and really get it in my ears correctly. Before we get into the rest of the video, if you are getting something out of this or the other tutorials on the channel, please hit the like button and consider subscribing so that you can stay up to date with all the latest content. I appreciate it greatly and thank you for your support. This Humoresque example can also be played down yet another octave on the C and G string. By playing it down in all these octaves and registers, I can get comfortable playing it in tune. I can learn what the interval sounds like, which will help me know if I am playing the actual shift correctly. And this that I just played is the best way to practice it. When you attack problems from different angles, when you absorb the concept in different ways, you are much more likely to learn it and retain it. This is definitely true when shifting and playing in different octaves. This is a great tool for getting the notes into your brain correctly. Remember also that it is not a one and done. If this shift is challenging for you, this is something you're going to have to use daily to be able to execute the shift consistently. Now, for the other parts of shifting and how to practice them, I cover all of them in this playlist right here. And I use this shift from the Humoresque as the example.